Here my dad comes. Wading out the water towards me. Hey.
Did I get anything on my hat?
Nope.
All right, good. I'm gonna get nothing on my hat. Let's go.
Oh, there's a snake over there. I'd be careful if I were you.
Don't worry about the snake. Come on. Sure would make my life easier if you guys would come with me. I guess I could talk y'all into boarding a boat with me, huh? So I got the two feral cats on top of this roof, and that's where they're gonna have to shelter in place until I can figure out what to do with them. So that's the story on that. Anyway, they're alive. I guess that was a successful rescue. We did the best we could. You can't really grab a wild animal like that, especially when you can't get any medical help. But I got them up here on this roof, and I'll check in on them after a while. Just wanted to give you guys an update so you know about the welfare of these two little animals. Just leave you with a shot of the neighborhood. Water's going down. That's good news. Well, there's the two kitty cats President accounted for. I gotta get these cats down. Just try to get your foot on the stairs. Once you step out, put your weight on the stairs and you'll be able to get out without tipping the boat over.
I noticed.
You tip the boat over, don't panic. I know how to swim. Don't touch anything electrical. Let me come assess the situation. All right, I'm coming. I'll turn this back on in just a minute.
Our entire neighborhood is devastated. Never have we experienced this much water in our lifetime. A lot of people raised their homes after the Hurricane Isaac flood, only to discover that they did not raise their homes quite high enough because many of the elevated structures have gone under in this flooding event. If you are able to make a small donation to our GoFundMe page, we will greatly appreciate it as we try to restore our lives and rebuild what we've lost.
Oh my God. I picked this stuff up high. Uh-oh, I shouldn't have done this. Come on. There's a current flowing. That's the high ground. You know it's bad when the high ground goes under. Water's still coming up, Hannah.
Our house is gone.
Jesus Christ.
spider on the door.
I see that big spider.
How much more would the water have to come up to get to the cats?
Yeah, to get to the cats, another 3 feet. Been getting all this out of the house all day. This is a disaster. That's my guitar right there. It's history. It's history. Just a lot of personal stuff. That's Hannah's her first little Christmas outfit. It got hit by the water. Just toys. Just everything you can imagine that one would lose in a horrible flood. All of my tools for work, paint tools, my ladders, my scaffolds. Some of this I'm going to try to save. I'm going to try to pressure wash some of this. Yeah. The rest of it I'm not going to be able to do much with.
Hi, Steve and Hannah. This is the American Red Cross. We are here to help you guys.
Hey Noah. Hey, thanks guys. You know it's on a first name basis now. I like it. Yes sir, he wants 3 and we need 3. American Red Cross. They're here to help. That's right, the American Red Cross is here. First name basis. Thumbs up for the Red Cross. All right. How cool is that? I think it's the hat, Hannah. I get more free meals and free drinks because of this hat. Good fortune smiles on me when I wear my Trump hat.
Well, of course.